Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so for this problem, we are looking at a population of fish, and we were told that there's a total of 250 fish in this pond, and we are given some more information to work with. So we are told that we're looking at a gene which has two alleles, which would be this blue A here and this small a, which I've written out here. And we're told how many of each fish possess these alleles in this population of 250. So we were told that 58 out of 250 possess this big A, and then 192, which we determined by, it says the remainder of the fish, so that'd be 250 minus 58, because those 58 are, of course, possessing the big allele, and arithmetic tells us that's 192. So 192 out of that 250 has the small allele A. So, and this should add up to be 1, because we know this equation, P plus Q equals 1. And if we do the math, 250 over 250 is the answer, and that would be the same thing as writing 1. So this is very useful because now we can understand the proportion of each alleles that are found in the present population, and then look at the future population and see if that proportion changes, because if the proportion changes, it will indicate that evolution has occurred. So if we divide these fractions, we will find the decimal form of 58 over 250, which is approximately 0.2, and over here, I've already performed the division to see that 0.8 is the same thing as 192 over 250. So that's very good. Those are nice numbers. And now we can apply those in the future population to see if evolution has occurred. So we're going to use the Hardy-Weinberg principle, where we essentially just multiply these proportions, and then we can see the different genotypes that we have. So 0.2 times 0.2 is 0.04. That's going to be our homozygous big A. Our heterozygous pairs are going to be both 0.16 apiece. It's the same multiplication. And then the little a, that multiplication pair is going to be 0.64. And if we add these all up, it should equal 1, which if we just do in our head, 0.16 plus 0.16 gives the total amount of heterozygotes. And that, of course, is going to be 0.32. 0.32 added to 0.64 is 0.96 plus the 0.04, so we get 1, right? So everything is good there. Now, what are we told? We're told that in the future, we have a population of 850. So we have new numbers to work with. We're told that 403 of those 850 are heterozygous, which we have here. Don't mind the colors are reversed, but it's the same genotype that we've solved for. And the Hardy-Weinberg principle sort of Punnett square up here. So we can determine this proportion. And if we do the division here, 403 divided by 850 is going to be approximately 0.47, which, as you can see, does not equal 0.32, meaning that the proportions are indeed different. So we've seen that the frequency of heterozygotes has changed from the beginning to 5 years in the future. So what does this tell us? This tells us that evolution has most likely occurred, or it's had to have occurred, because we see a difference in the proportions of alleles.